Conveyor belt tracking is something that is mandatory and does need attention from time to time on the machine. As you track the belt initially from the factory, you want enough tension on the belt just to keep it from slipping with downward pressure with your hands. If you're able to stop the conveyor belt with just downward pressure with your hands, the belt needs just a little more tension. As you get the proper tension on the belt may tend to wander left and right as you use the product. When you're using the machine, the belt will require tracking adjustments from time to time. As the belt wanders left and right, if the belt wanders to the left-hand side of the machine, tighten the left-hand side quarter turn or half turn, but then you also loosen the right-hand side of the machine the same amount, whether it's a quarter turn or half turn. If the belt tracks to the right side of the machine, you tighten that side just a little bit, quarter turn, half turn on the adjustment, and loosen the other side. Whatever you do on one side, you do equal and opposite on the opposite side of the machine. The belt running empty will run straight and true forever and a day. Start using the belt and it will track from side to side. That is not abnormal. The belt does not need to have equal tension from side to side to function properly. One side may be a little tighter than the other. Both sides on the belt may end up having equal tension. The middle may bubble up just a little bit. That is normal for the operation of the tool. Each of our machines are equipped with tracker kits. Tracker kits are a ceramic guide that's found underneath the conveyor bed assembly. They house and track and keep the belt in the center of the table. These are not intended for a correction to a tracking problem. These are not an end-all be-all to physically tracking the belt. The belt simply runs in the lower guide itself, keeps the belt from crashing into the edge of the bed underneath. If the belt is allowed to crash into the bed underneath, the abrasive of the belt will continually grind into the metal, brackets, and hardware down there, causing premature failure and actually cutting through the metal surfaces of the brackets and beds and hardware. Now, keep in mind, these are ceramic, they are magnetic, they hold to the edge of the bed underneath. Now, if you do drop one of these, they don't bounce very well. They will break, they will shatter. There's no salvaging them if they're broken.